I just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat.
Hi, I'm Shauna coming at you with another Huntington's disease workout tip. We're covering a lot of cardiovascular exercises that are great for people with Huntington's disease. This week we're going to talk about the rowing machine. I love the rowing machine because it uses just about every single muscle in your body. It's a seated activity, but once again, when you first learn how to do this exercise, make sure you have somebody nearby to spot you because it is a small seat and you want to make sure you're feeling steady and comfortable when you're on it and you're not falling sideways off the bike seat. When you use the rowing machine, you'll put your feet in the foot cradles and tighten things down so you're pushing kind of through the balls of your feet, but also through your heels. You'll grab onto the handle, and a proper rowing stroke is you push with your legs and then pull with your arms, and everything bends back in to reset. Push with your legs, pull with your arms, bring it back in. The faster you move, the harder the exercise is. So you have complete control over the intensity of the workout. Again, safety is key, so make sure you have somebody there to help you and help get you set up. But the rowing machine is a fantastic workout to get your heart rate up and get you breathing and sweating. Thanks a lot.
I wanna make you sweat. I just wanna make you sweat.